family, friends, bushcraft buddies. Well, it's another episode of Cooking with Casey. And show you all the recipes I use in the truck. So I guess this is truck drivers cooking with Casey. I got me a pork roast here. I just bought the other day. And goes right in my aroma. An aroma is it's a rice cooker that you can change to whatever cook cycles you want. You can bake in it. You can slow cook in it. You can cook rice in it. You can cook anything in it you want. And today I'm going to use it as a slow cooker. And I'm headed to Tennessee. I'm going to set this for, when I get it in the truck, I'm going to set it for 10 hours. I can shut it off whenever I want, but I'm going to set it for a 10-hour cook. And show you what it looks like when we get there. But we put that pork roast in. This is a 12-ounce Coke. Small Coke. Little bottles. Dump it right on in there. About half of it. You don't want all of it. Just about half of it. And I gotta go over here. Get my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Dump it right in there. This you want almost all of it, but I'll probably use all of it because I like barbecue sauce. Leave a little bit of it in the bottle. Give it a stir. Now that Coke gives it another flavor. And it helps tenderize any meat you put in there, like a beef roast. If you put a beef roast in there and it is a tough cut of meat, that Coke helps tenderize that meat. Now you want to add any seasonings you want. I'm not a big salt person, so I'll throw me some pepper in there. Give it another stir. Get that mixed up. And if it's real handy, here's some onion or garlic powder. We'll put a little bit of it in there. Give it another stir. Now tonight when I pull over, I'll show you the finished product on this. That Coca-Cola really gives it another, just an out there flavor. Mixed with the barbecue sauce. Really tenderizes the meat. All you have to do is close that lid. Set that cooker for 10 hours. 8 hours. However long you think it's going to be, but I'll probably set it for 10 hours because it's still morning here. I still got to get my shower, get ready to go. So I'll set it for 10 hours, and then when I pull over tonight, if the 10 hours is not up, I'll just shut it off. Show you what we got going. I'll finish this up later. God bless. See you in a while. Now you see that right there? That's exactly what I was hoping for. That is tear apart done. I tore that apart with 2 plastic forks. So it's gonna be good. We're gonna take that and we're gonna dump it right back in the pot. Alright, and all that barbecue sauce. Get all that goodness in there. And we're just gonna mix it up. Get my camera turned around there a little bit. Gonna mix that up in all that barbecue sauce. Now you stick around for the taste test. We'll be right back. Now would you look at that? Would you just look at that? How could supper get any better than that? I don't think Bill Gowdy could do any better than that. Let's give it the old taste test. I got me some barbecue pork. I got me some peas that I heat up in the microwave. I got my apple for dessert. And as Bill Gowdy would say, let's get the priorities straight. I got my Diet Coke. Let's go in for a taste test. Oh my God. That's good. That's cooked all day. That's cooked all day. That's really good. Take you some barbecue sauce, whatever you like the best. Put it in there. Put about 6 ounces of regular Coca-Cola or any kind of pop you like the best. Helps tenderize that meat. Put in any spices you like. I put pepper and garlic in this. I'm not much of a salt person. But man, oh man, that's good. Who says you can't eat healthy and eat good out in the truck? God bless. Have a great day. I'm going to finish my meal.